It's the big day. I'm walking up to the body shop, which is only about a 20-minute walk from my house, to go and get my project car. After 5 years of work, pretty much. EV swapping it again, body swapping it, endless hours of work on the body to get it ready for paint, and then handing it over to these guys to finish up the prep, because it's hard to do in the winter when you've got no garage, and then lay some paint down. And the photos and videos they've sent me, it looks absolutely fantastic. But in just a few minutes, we'll find out. There it is. Under wraps to protect it from any pigeons and stuff in the roof. How good does that look? It looks amazing. Hasn't been polished yet. Still some nibs and stuff to take out. They're going to wait for the clear coat to dry, and then I'll bring it back and it'll get a final polish. But it looks absolutely spectacular. It's exactly what I wanted. Exactly. That's going to get some attention on the road. Right, got to put all these bits on now. Got my overalls on. Brought my toolkit. Time to put it all together and get it ready for the road. Started simple. Wing mirrors on. Some minor defects there. Well, I'm quite tempted actually to paint this bit black, a bit of contrast. Don't know. Think about it. Wing mirrors might get changed anyway. Obviously this one's the one the fixed one that I welded back together with those aluminium brazing rods. So it's not perfect anyway. But look at how much the door gaps have improved. They're still not perfect, but they're much better than they were. All right, on to the next thing. Let's get on the floor and get some lights in and some charge ports, or a charge port anyway. Back end's complete. Looking awesome. Getting closer and closer. Side repeater's back on. Can't actually quite get one of the screws in them because I can't open the door far enough with the what is it? Mitsubishi here, which you've seen in the previous episode. So, last thing pretty much is to put the headlights in. And then, oh yeah, headlights and put the boot on. And then I've got to stick a door card in. I've only got one with me. Oh, front number plate as well. Okay, basically front end. And then we can go for a drive. There we go, front end back together. Grille and number plate on. Bonnet release installed. Headlights in shiny new brackets. Slightly better quality. I still might get the old ones tidied up and powder coated and swap them back over once they're a bit more rust proof. Not put all the bolts in yet. Just I want to get this home now, but enough to keep it solid. Here's the bit that obviously is going to need a bit of tidying up. I think here as well. Might need a little bit of work. But yeah, just door handles and a bit of interior trim and the boot cover now. There we go. All put back together. Needs a good clean. Like I say, it'll come back in a month or so once everything's hardened up. Can't quite believe this is my car. Looks awesome.
Hello.
Hello. That's your part finished.
Yes.
You're all done.
Yeah.
You and Razor and the gang.
Yeah, happy with the project.
Amazing. Very happy. Very happy.
Just to let you know, the polish is left.
Yeah. So we'll be bringing back in about a month or so for final polish. But it looks awesome.
Yeah.
It looks fantastic.
Absolutely love the paint.
Yeah, it's a great colour, isn't it? Really good colour.
A lot nicer when the sun is out.
Yeah, when it's had a nice final polish and everything else. So yeah, highly recommend these guys. I'll put details in the description.
Thank you.
Because it's been brilliant. And they let me come and put it all back together here, which is nice. Right, I'll see you soon. I'm going to go for my first drive.
Thank you.
Well, I managed to forget my camera mount for the car. So you're not going to get my reactions from the first drive other than this is freaking awesome. We'll get some more shots at home. Might be a bit dark when we get back. Maybe tomorrow. But yeah, I'm absolutely effing loving this. Loving it. Right, 24 hours have passed. Not quite, but the usual job for this car. A run out to drop the kids off at, or a kid in this case, off at classes, and then a quick supermarket run. I mean, obviously the car doesn't feel any different. The performance hasn't changed. Well, I guess it is kind of like go faster stripes, isn't it? But does it feel different driving it? Well, I'm a lot more nervous driving it, I can tell you that. Park more carefully now. Woo, hello! Little back end slide there, whoops. Yeah, it's awesome. It's getting a lot of looks, the family love it, I love it. Can't quite believe it's on my driveway. Opening the curtains this morning to see it was a very nice moment. Yeah, absolutely delighted. Obviously, it still needs some work. It needs a really good clean. It needs people overtaking me on the inside. Yeah, little bits of overspray here and there, minor stuff. Like the tyres need cleaning up, a bit of black pack or something, or tyre shine. Yeah, the whole thing needs a good clean, really. But it looks freaking awesome, let's be honest. And I am absolutely delighted. So at some point I'm going to get some good footage of the car, not just me driving it. I need someone with a good camera and a good eye for this. Maybe some assistance to catch me driving, things like that. I'm going to try and work that out at some point in the future. But for now, let's put that on there. That's it for this video. It's painted. Next up for this project, or this side of the project family, is some dash upgrades, some trim upgrades. Just, you know, show the Goswick brand off a little bit. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Bye bye.